Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about this 5-stick 4K Max streaming device. This one is really good. Regular price for this, as you can see, it's about $54.99, and today's only you can get it for $34.99. Okay, as you can see right here, I can add it to the cart and I can pick it up. Okay, so this is a really good deal right here for the price. This is super fast and everything's good about the item. Here, I'm not going to talk about the item itself, what it comes with, the descriptions and all the stuff, the specs. You can just take a look at yourself, but take advantage of it. This is going to end by the end of today. So if you like, go ahead and buy it. You know, if anything, you can return it later. But for $34.99, it's a great deal, okay? Hope you guys enjoy the deal. If you guys like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you love the savings, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next savings video.